The very first chapter of Flamingo is the last lesson. Okay. Now this chapter I had already discussed in the class, but as many of you have joined the class again, so I'm going to discuss it once again. And this last lesson, beta, actually it revolves about the language. You know, it revolves around the language and what importance the language it has to the citizens of a country. Okay, and it is the duty of every citizen to protect or to safeguard his mother tongue. Why? Because that is the identity of a country, है ना, country की पहचान होती है, तो हर countryman की ड्यूटी होती है अपनी लैंग्वेज को सेफगार्ड करना. अब ये लेसन में क्या डिपिक्ट होता है कि these French people, you know, they were defeated in the war and they were two districts of Alsace and Lorraine. They were taken by the Prussian and into their hands. You know, the Prussian control was there. The Prussians, they defeated these French people, and two districts, Alsace and Lorraine, they went into their hands. Now, these Prussians, they wanted to rule over not only the territory of France, है ना, सिर्फ rule ही नहीं करना चाहते थे, but also they wanted to rule over the minds of these French people, over their minds and over their hearts. ओके उनके दिल और दिमाग पर भी रूल करना चाहते थे, इसलिए वो एक लॉ इम्पोज कर देते हैं कि उनकी भाषा नहीं बोली जाएगी, प्रशियंस की भाषा, जर्मन लैंग्वेज, it would be taught, it would be spoken, okay, in the districts of Alsace and Lorraine that passed into Prussian hands. तो इस चैप्टर में जब सबको पता पड़ता है कि क्या इम्पैक्ट इसका होता है, इस लॉ का, ये जो लॉ इन लोगों ने इंट्रोड्यूस कर दिया था कि कोई भी फ्रेंच भाषा नहीं बोलेगा, तो उसका क्या इम्पैक्ट होता है ऑन द स्कूल्स ऑफ फ्रांस, है ना, ऑन द लाइफ ऑफ द पीपल, वो है कि किसी भी चीज की वैल्यू, यू नो, व्हेन डू वी कम टू नो द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ द वैल्यू ऑफ समथिंग, कब पता पड़ती है बेटा हमें किसी चीज की वैल्यू, बताइए. Yes, come on students.
Ma'am, it was lost.
हाँ, when we, yes,
Lost it.
yes, when we lose it, okay. जब कोई चीज खो जाती है तब हमें उसकी इम्पोर्टेंस पता पड़ती है. तो सिमिलरली this happens in this chapter also कि now they have lost the language, right? They cannot write or read the language, they cannot speak the language as the rules have come. They were under the Prussians. Now the government was of the Prussian, and Prussians, they had imposed a strict law, strict rule on them कि only German language would be taught. So at once they realized the importance of the language, how language was precious to them. Okay, तो ये पूरा है और कैसे वो रिग्रेट करते हैं, कैसे वो रिपेंट करते हैं कि when there was lot of time they did not care to learn their language. Okay, और किस तरह से उनकी आइडेंटिटी, उनकी पहचान, okay, खत्म हो जाती है. क्लियर? The theme is
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. पीडीएफ्स खोल रखी हैं आपने? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू
Yes,
आर
ma'am.
हैविंग द बुक बेटा? जस्ट रेज योर हैंड्स. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर हैविंग द बुक? Okay, 4 of the past participants. Rest of you will either download the book. Okay, this our principal sir, he has sent the link. See on the WhatsApp link hai of all the subjects. You can download the books or download the PDF. Clear? Why? Because without the book, whether it is the hard copy or the soft copy, you will not understand the chapter. है ना, चैप्टर समझ में नहीं आएगा तो आप प्लीज पीडीएफ खोल के रखिए या बुक को डाउनलोड कर लीजिए हर सब्जेक्ट की. अब शुरू करें चैप्टर.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. Now see, you got the theme of the chapter कि ये last lesson किसका है. It is the last lesson in the फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज क्यों? क्योंकि फ्रेंच डिस्ट्रिक्ट एल्सेस एंड लॉरेन जो थे, दे वर अंडर द कंट्रोल ऑफ द प्रूशियंस, और प्रूशियंस ने लॉ इम्पोज कर दिया था कि स्कूल में फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज वुड नॉट बी रेड, इट वुड नॉट बी टॉट। ओके, तो जब उन लोगों को पता पड़ा तो व्हाट इम्पैक्ट इट हैड ऑन देम, हाउ डिड दे रियलाइज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ द लैंग्वेज, कितना वो रिपेंट करते हैं, रिग्रेट करते हैं अपनी भाषा के लिए जो वो ना लिख पाए थे ढंग से, ना पढ़ पाए थे, ना सीख पाए। ओके बेटा, now the last lesson, it's written by Alfonso Dude. Okay, Alfonso Dude, he was a great French novel writer and a short story writer, and he wrote this letter when Franco-Prussian War was going on. Franco-Prussian War, you got it? War between France and Prussia, it was going on, and it was the year 1870 to 71. समझ गए? 1870 to 71 में this war was going on, और इस war में it was between France and Prussia, and Prussians, it was led by Bismarck. Bismarck was the leader, and Prussians, it was not any one nation or a country, rather it consisted of Prussians. किससे? Prussia किससे बना था? Germany, Poland and parts of Austria मिलकर, तीनों मिलकर Prussia was made. समझ में आया? कोई एक
Yes, ma'am.
कंट्री या नेशन नहीं था, जर्मनी, पोलैंड एंड पार्ट्स ऑफ ऑस्ट्रिया मिलकर क्या बना था? प्रशिया बना था। तो वैसे ही बहुत पावरफुल था, बिकॉज मेनी नेशंस यूनाइटेड टुगेदर एंड दे फॉर्म्ड प्रशिया, एंड these Prussians, the leader was Bismarck, and these Prussians, they defeated France, and French districts Alsace and Lorraine, it passed into Prussian hands. Okay, उनके कंट्रोल में आ गया था, और किस तरह से फिर उन्होंने रूल इम्पोज करा था और इसका क्या इफेक्ट होता है ऑन द लाइफ एट स्कूल, दिस इज द चैप्टर. नाउ लुक इनटू द बुक, द लास्ट लेसन, पुट द डेट, put the date. Date written.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Alfonso Dude was a French novelist and short story writer. The last lesson is set in the days of Franco-Prussian War, 1870 to 71. Underline it. In which France was defeated by Prussia, led by Bismarck. Prussia then consisted of what now are the nations of Germany, Poland, and parts of Austria. In this story, the French districts of Alsace and Lorraine have passed into Prussian hands. Read the story to find out what effect this had on life at school. Okay, I started. Who is I here? Now see. This story is narrated by a little boy whose name is Franz, Franz. Okay? एक छोटा बच्चा है जिसने ये स्टोरी नरेट करी है, उसका नाम है फ्रेंड्स. अब when he narrates the story, this is the first person narration, and when he narrates the story, we find that he started late for the school that morning, and he was not in the mood of going to school. Why? What was the reason? You will come to know. I started for school very late that morning and was in great dread of a school day, especially because M. Hamel had said that he would question us on participle, and I did not know the first word about that. अब वो लिटिल बच्चा जो है, छोटा बच्चा, लिटिल फ्रेंड्स, he says, like many of the students, what do? Whenever they do not complete their homework, or whenever they are supposed to submit their homework or their project or their assignment in the school, and they have not completed it, and they are in the fear of getting scolded by the teacher, what do? They try to find out excuse of not reaching the school on time. Okay, एक्सक्यूज ढूंढने की कोशिश करते हैं कि हम समय पर ना पहुंचे, तो अच्छा खासा बहाना हम पेरेंट्स को दे सकते हैं दैट आई वाज क्वाइट लेट सो द मेन गेट हैड क्लोज्ड, और इस तरह से बहाना दे सकते। तो यही बात बेटा इस लिटिल बॉय के साथ होती है। दिस लिटिल बॉय he was not in the mood of going to school that day. उस दिन उसका मूड नहीं था। क्यों? He was in great dread. Why? Because उसको ये great dread किसको कहते हैं? Fear. सॉरी, फियर था उसको ऑफ गेटिंग बीइंग स्कोल्डेड। उसको डर था कि टुडे आई विल बी स्कोल्डेड। व्हाई? अंडरलाइन, दिस इज द आंसर टू अ क्वेश्चन, because M. Hamel had said that he would question us on participles, and I did not know the first word about them. Why? Because he had not done the homework. Homework was given by M. Hamel, who was his teacher, to learn the rules of participles, and he did not even know a single word about participles. Participles होते हैं कारक, जिसको आप कहते हैं हिंदी में। ओके, तो उसको डर था कि टीचर विल पनिश मी। वो बहाना ढूंढ रहा था कि मैं लेट घर से निकलूंगा तो लेट पहुंचूंगा, एंड द गेट वुड बी क्लोज, सो दिस एक्सक्यूज कुड बी गिवन टू पेरेंट्स। For a moment, I thought of running away and spending the day out of doors. Now he says, for a moment, I thought that I would run away, एक पल को विचार आता है that I would run away and I would spend the day out of doors. Out of doors means I would not reach the school and I'll not return back, okay, to my house also, to my home. Rather, I'm going to spend the whole days out of doors, okay, outside only. And when the time for the school to be over, okay, at that time I would return back to my house, okay, to my home I would return back rather। कहता है मन ही मन सोचता है कि भाई जैसे बहुत सारे बच्चे करते हैं ना, they try to bunk the school and they do bunk the school, similar this idea even he had that he would bunk the school and on time he would return back to his house। so उसको लगा कि मैं भी अपना दिन बाहर निकालूं। अब क्यों लगा आगे अंडरलाइन करना, why? It was so warm, so bright. Why? Because the day was very warm and bright. अब cold countries में क्या होता है बेटा? France, Germany and all, they are very cold countries and sun could be hardly seen there, isn't it? हमारी southern countries में तो every day you see the bright sun, the scorching heat, दिखता है कि नहीं? बहुत तेज धूप है ना हमें मिलती है, और जिस दिन क्लाउडी डे होता है वो हमारे लिए दिन बहुत अच्छा होता है। लेकिन फ्रेंच और जर्मनी और यहाँ पे फ्रांस जर्मनी वगैरह सब जगह ऑलमोस्ट डेज आर वेरी क्लाउडी, इतनी ठंड होती है, तो वहाँ कभी सनशाइन करता है ना, तो उनके लिए वो दिन बहुत अच्छा होता है। इट इज ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ पिकनिक डे। तो ये कहता है कि टुडे द दैट डे, आई मीन टू से, the sun was very warm and bright, means the weather was quite warm and the sun was shining brightly। समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Many of the students quit कर रहे हैं अभी से ही, है ना, क्योंकि वो ये सोच रहे हैं कि हमने बोर्ड पास कर लिया बस, the whole year it will go on like this, और लास्ट में they will suffer। अभी भी उनको इतनी चिंता नहीं है कि now the board classes, we are in the board classes and we must be serious। I don't know where they run away। Really very shameful and very disgusting and embarrassing too। They join the class, yes, just to show that we have joined, and now one by one they are leaving. That's good. Even if one student will be there, I am going to teach. And I'll not repeat it. You know it very well. I'll not repeat it। Just wasting parents' resources। नहीं पढ़ना है तो बोल दो बेटा पेरेंट्स को ना पढ़ाएं, उनका इतना हार्ड अर्न मनी क्यों वेस्ट करते हो? घर बैठ जाओ आराम से। कम से कम पेरेंट्स दिन भर आप लोगों के लिए इतना अर्न करते हैं, इतनी मेहनत करते हैं, उनका पैसा तो वेस्ट नहीं हो। सो नाउ ही वॉज वेरी मच टेम्प्टेड बाय द डे। एक तो उसका मन नहीं था, दूसरा दिन इतना अच्छा था और बहुत सारी चीजें लिटिल फ्रेंड्स को टेम्प्ट करती हैं टू रिमेन आउट ऑफ डोर्स। अब क्या क्या चीजें टेम्प्ट करती हैं, अंडरलाइन करना। द डे वॉज वेरी वार्म एंड वेरी ब्राइट. The birds were chirping at the edge of the wood, and in the open field back of the sawmill, the Prussian soldiers were drilling. अब क्या हुआ, डे बहुत वार्म था, ब्राइट था, बर्ड्स जो थी वो भी ट्विटर कर रही थी एट द एज ऑफ द वुड्स. एज ऑफ द वुड्स, यू गॉट इट, एट द बाउंड्री और द कॉर्नर्स ऑफ द वुड. वुड क्या हो गया, जंगल, फॉरेस्ट. सी, जब बहुत ठंड रहती है ना, व्हाट डू यू सी, even in a hot countries, okay, during the winters, some days are very, very severe cold winters we face, right? What do we find at that time? We see very less people on the roads, isn't it? We hardly listen to any chirpings or twittering of the birds. क्यों? क्योंकि even all the living beings, like us, they feel what cold, isn't it? तो हमें बहुत कम उनकी आवाजें सुनाई देती हैं, चहकने की आवाज बहुत कम सुनाई देती है, क्योंकि दिन इतना ज्यादा ठंडा होता है, सनशाइन नहीं होती है, राइट? तो बहुत कम आवाज सुनाई देती है. और इसके अलावा हम लोग भी बहुत कम देखते हैं. लेकिन जैसे ही सिवियर विंटर डेज होते हैं और जैसे ही सपोज सन बहुत ब्राइट शाइन करने लगता है, तो एवरीबडी कम्स एंड एंजॉय द वार्मथ ऑफ द सन. ओके, तो सिमिलरली यहाँ पर भी ऐसे ही हो रहा था बेटा, कि फ्रांस जो है बड़ा कोल्ड कंट्री है. अब उस दिन क्या था, it was a very bright day and the sun was shining very brightly, so even the birds had come out of their resting places of their nest, and even they were twittering, they were chirping. And open field जो थी वहां पे sawmill के पीछे, the Prussian soldiers, they were practicing for the war. It was all much more tempting than the rule for participles. अब इस बच्चे के लिए more than studies, these things were very tempting, very fascinating, very attractive, isn't it? समझ में आया? Suppose a shop is there in your neighborhood and you send one of your younger brother or sister to buy a pen for you. Okay, hardly 5 minutes to go and come back. But that small boy or girl will take 10 to 15 minutes, maybe more than that, to go to the shop that is in your neighborhood and to return back. क्यों? क्योंकि a child is always attracted by the outside world, right? बाहर की चीजें देख के, ऑडिटिटीज, नॉवेल्टीज सब देख के बच्चा अट्रैक्ट होगा, और जगह जगह पर he will halt and he will keep on admiring, he will keep on looking. ऐसा होता है कि नहीं होता है? किसी, आप अपने छोटे भाई बहन को बोलो जाओ एक पेन या पेंसिल पास से ले आओ, 5 मिनट भी नहीं लगेंगे, लेकिन उसको 10-15 मिनट जरूर लगेंगे बेटा. क्यों? क्योंकि वो बाहर जाएगा तो वो अट्रैक्ट होगा बाहर की चीजों से, नई चीजें और चीजें देखकर. होता है कि नहीं ऐसा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ओनली मानसी एंड
Yes,
चारू
ma'am.
इज देयर हु इज लिसनिंग. तो ऐसा ही होता है, कभी आजमा के देखना, बच्चा काफी अट्रैक्ट होता है इन सब चीजों से. तो सिमिलरली अभी a little friends, even he was a small child, even he got attracted by all these things. डे वार्म था, ब्राइट था, बर्ड्स ट्विटर कर रही थी, चर्प कर रही थी, प्रशियन सोल्जर्स ड्रिल कर रहे थे. तो वो कहता है ये सारी चीजें, all these things were more tempting than the studies, than the rule for participles. होमवर्क से ज्यादा, स्टडी से ज्यादा ये सब चीजें बहुत टेम्पटिंग थी, और ये चीजें उसको टेम्प्ट कर रही थी टू रिमेन आउट ऑफ डोर्स, नॉट टू अटेंड द स्कूल. But I had the strength to resist and hurried off to school. लेकिन वो क्या बोलता है, लेकिन मेरे अंदर इतनी स्ट्रेंथ थी, okay, I had so much of control on my temptations, on my emotions, my feelings को, जिसको मैंने कंट्रोल करा, इतना सेल्फ कंट्रोल करा मैंने अपने आप को, and I did not spend my day out of doors, and I just started to go fast to the school, and I hurried off to the school. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Everybody got it? नहीं समझ में
Yes,
आया
ma'am.
तो ये से पूछ लेना. Okay? अब इसमें 2 questions बनेंगे. Why he was in great fear of attending the school? क्यों? क्योंकि he was in great dread of being scolded as he had not done the homework given by his teacher. What was the name of the teacher? Hurry up. M. Hammond. Okay. Second thing, the day was very tempting. Why the day was very tempting? Because it was a warm and bright day. The birds were chirping at the edge of the woods, and the Prussian soldiers were practicing for the war. So all these things also tempted this little prince. But did he decide to spend his day out of doors finally? Or he
No.
controlled, yes.
No,
very
ma'am.
good, Jayanti. Very good, Anshuman. He controlled his feelings, and what did he do? What did he do, beta?
He went to school.
And go to school and attend the class.
का टाइम आता है तो शैलेंद्र क्लास छोड़ के भाग जाता है. क्या करा उसने? He went to school, है ना? उसने अपने temptations को, अपनी emotions को, है ना, control करा, and he just hurried off to school. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, we will continue with the next para, and I want each and every one to have the books. Hard copy or soft copy. Hard copy हो तो बहुत ही बढ़िया है बेटा. In case if the books are not available, download the books, okay, or download the PDF. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now you better take care. Remain at home. Don't move out. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And revise what we have done, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए,
Yes,
bye बेटा. Goodbye. Take care, everyone. God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.